Mitram and Bandhu, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel, Intellectual Kshatriyas Channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. Mitrana, today in part 4 of Haryana series, that is the historical Purva Punjab, the East Punjab, Haryanvi speaking, that is the Bangar language speaking Punjab region, Haryana. The title of the presentation is Haryana Province Land Area Comparisons Across the Radcliffe Line. So this is very important. Across the Radcliffe Line, that is the subheading. Previously we have looked at the same in part 3, land area comparisons of Haryana, India and world. That is very different from this. That means we are looking only across the Radcliffe Line. What is the Radcliffe Line? Briefly, it is the partition line between the pure land and impure land, Bharat and Pakistan. Pak means pure, a Persian word. So how various geopolitical entities, regions in this region across the Radcliffe Line, only I have taken the Radcliffe Line because it is very important, because Haryana used to be part of British Punjab. British Punjab was partitioned because of during the partition of Bharat. Across the Radcliffe Line, Cyril Radcliffe was a British judge. He was the chairman of Boundary Commission or Partition Commission. So after this presentation, you will get a fascinating idea. And I will also tell you briefly, if you take the planet Earth, how you can remember the land areas of any continent, any country, any state approximately very equally. If you follow this presentation, the entire. Remember, Haryana province has 44,000 square kilometers. I may not repeat this thousand, not to burden you. In this entire presentation, most of the time when I say units means a 3 digits, zeros will be there ahead of it. When we say country, it will be generally in millions because India is a very big country in the land area even after partition. 44 units means 44,000 square kilometers of Haryana province. Mitronam, this is our Haryana series, South Asia maps. We are in part 4. Haryana, the land area comparison to Punjab, West Punjab, East Punjab, Haryanvi Punjab, that is Himachali Punjab or Pahari Punjab and surroundings, part 4. And if you're new to presentation, Mitrana, your YouTube channel South Asia Maps has already 517 immaculately made video presentations on varied diverse topics of Indology, human ecology, history, geography, culture, heritage, battles, wars, British Punjab, British provinces, British presidencies and so on. You can go and look at them and enjoy them. Coming back to Haryana 44. Before this, you have a broader idea how the geographical areas are calculated and like that. I made one presentation, lot of presentations actually. You can look those presentations, I call them, you can look in the appropriate playlist in our YouTube channel. GAME series, that is the acronym I coined. GAME means geographic areas made easy. I already has around about 16 or so variety of geographical regions in Bharat, Europe, continents. You can go and look at them and that appropriate YouTube playlist. Coming to presentations, before we start, always remember one country, that is 1 million square kilometers. This is Egypt, called Misr, northern part of Africa. That is almost more or less 1,000 kilometers this side, 1,000 this side, 1,000 this side, 1,000. So 1000 by 1000 means 1 followed by 6 zeros is 1 million square kilometers. If you redraw the boundaries of the countries in the planet Earth, you can fit 150 Egypts in the land area, 360 Egypts in the water surface area. Add them, that becomes 510 million square kilometer. Remember, these are the big million square kilometers, entire surface area, among which Canada is 10 million and United States 10 million, Europe west of Ural Mountains 10 million, and mainland China is 10 million. These are 10 million, almost equal in size, 10 million square kilometers. These four countries are entities. Entities is a broader geopolitical area. Africa is 30 and Australia, Polynesia actually 8 and so on. Brazil is 8. You can look at that particular series for more information. And what is the Radcliffe Line? Because the presentation is the Radcliffe Line across. I have made a partition series. You can look at it in the partition. This is the Radcliffe Line, Cyril Radcliffe. This is from Who Partitioned India, Bharat. British didn't partition India. This myth was spread meticulously by Macaulay'ites and the Congress leaders, because they were the people who were responsible for partition, because they surrendered to Muslim League or Jinnah's League. So they just covered it up. So that's the different story. This is the Radcliffe Line, Cyril Radcliffe Line, and this is the Darul Harb land. This is the Darul Mumini, that is the believers. This is the Kafiri people. This is the Mumini people, Darul Harb and Darul Kwami, and Jahiliya land means ignorant land, and Ilam. That is the, in their opinion, very enlightened, bright land. So that's Radcliffe Line is sometimes called Ravi Line. Sometimes it's called the Sutlej Line, even though they are not the exact partition areas. In the east of side, it is sometimes called Bhagirathi Line or Hugli Line. That is across the Purva Punjab and Purva Bengal and Pashchim Bengal, that area. Coming to that, how these areas, I have made other series. You can see based upon the river Nile, that is 666,000 square kilometers, the Nile River. And I have intuitively delineated how to calculate the geographical area 150, 350. See, this is the from the Rwanda to Mediterranean, the length of Nile, 6666 kilometers. So that is a brief introduction, and we'll go back to our main presentations across the Radcliffe Line. So there are two Punjabs now. There used to be one Punjab before 1947, that is British Punjab. Now, after Radcliffe Line, there are two Punjab, West Punjab and East Punjab, Pashchim Punjab and Purbi Punjab. This is Maghrebi Punjab, this is Mashriq Punjab. These are the Arabic words. East Punjab after 1966 got into three provinces, Subas. That is Punjabi speaking Punjab, Pahari Haryanvi speaking, Pahari speaking Punjab is Himachali Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. Haryanvi are Bagri speaking, Bangar speaking language or Hindi type of language is the Haryana. So this. We start always Punjab, East Punjab, that is the east of Radcliffe Line. Very easy to remember, 50. Haryana is a little smaller than that. So if 50 you deduct 5 or so, you get 45. You make 44. Actually, it's 45 if you add Union Territory of Indraprastha, that is Delhi. So remember 50, and remember Himachal Pradesh is little bigger, Himachali Punjab, that is 55. So we started with Purbi Punjab, East Punjab, that is 50, added little more, Himachal Pradesh become 55, and Haryana little less than 50, that is 44. Remember, these are all 1,000 square kilometers in this conversation. Here, just for comparison, I have added Uttarakhand region, that is almost same as Himachal Pradesh, 53. So this is east of Punjab. These three you add, like Himachali Punjab, Punjabi Punjab, Haryanvi Punjab, this becomes 150. West Punjab, Pashchim Punjab is 200. Again, very easy to remember. And this is the Khyber province, or Pakhtunkhwa province, now it's called. Is a border province during British time, so it's called Sarihad. Sarihad is the Persian word, is a border. Sarihad Shuba. Sarihad province used to be called Northwest Frontier Province. That is called Isanya. Vayavya province, Vayavya, Northwest Frontier Province. So if you remember Punjab, that is Indian Punjab 50, make it 4 times, West Punjab in Pakistan, again this 50 double it, you get 100 Khyber province. So you got it. And now we come to Dogra Maharaja's territory. Dogra kingdom was formed after Amritsar Treaty of Amritsar 1846 March, I think 16, between Dogra Raja Gulab Singh and East India Company Bahadur, Lord Ellenborough, Governor General. That is an area of 222, again 1000 square kilometer. It's not exactly 222, that will be sufficient for our purpose because certain areas were not demarcated. We won't go into that picky details. So 222, or you remember 220, right? So if you say British Punjab 200, Maharaja's territory was 220, little bigger. Among which how do you remember again? This is now after 2020 or so. Again, the Indian Jammu and Kashmir is divided into Jammu and Kashmir region, Ladakh region. If you remember Haryana 44, almost the same Jammu Kashmir Union Territory now is 44 or 43. And remember, Ladakh is a bigger area, that means a little bigger than Himachal Pradesh. So you add 5 more, 60. So these together becomes 100, right, roundabout. And the remaining 100 you will get in the northern area. This is Chinese administered, occupied. Aksai Chin area. Again, remember, just like Haryana, this is 40. Instead of 44 is 40. This is Gilgit-Baltistan area, 64. Same as a little bit bigger than Ladakh. So you have 100 here, you have 100 here, 200. Where is the 222 square kilometers remaining? Almost this is the Pak occupied Kashmir, or they say Azad Kashmir, the Muzaffarabad, Punj, and Mirpur, those areas. So this is 44. So if you add all of them, you get round about 222 square kilometers. Here I put Dogra Kashmir 222 square kilometers. So very easily we made Punjab 50, little less, Haryana 44, little more, the Himachali Punjab 55, almost the same, Uttarakhand, West Punjab 200, half of it, Khyber province 100, then the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory 44 or 43, Ladakh Union Territory 100, and Aksai Chin 40, Gilgit-Baltistan 64, the residuary part 14 is Azad Kashmir or Pak occupied Kashmir. So here I have put all of them, areas in square kilometers. West Punjab 200, East Punjab 500, Himachali Punjab, Uttaranchal, Haryana, Gilgit-Baltistan. So remember, Egypt is 1 million square kilometers, Bharat 3.2, Khyber, and so much. So, and the entire part I have made in this series, game series, very intuitive for you. So remember, 3 times East Punjab is 150, right? So that means you add Himachali Punjab and Haryanvi Punjab and Punjabi Punjab. 150, west side of Radcliffe is 200. So you got it. Dogra's territory 222, and Bihar is almost 100. It's not exactly. That means same as a Khyber province. Then you remember 38 Bhutan, reverse is 83 Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam is actually now less than that, 78. And West Bengal, that is Pashchim Bengal, is 88. So all these things I have made very intuitively for you. That means if you take any area country in the planet Earth, you can very easily estimate that if you go over those series. And this Indian series I have explained very well, and I will not go over them again here. And it will be very helpful if you know the geographical areas, the population density. That is be very important to understand how human society and civilization, you can see these population densities, the great higher population densities, lower population densities, those things I have explained in the population explosion series. You can look at them. So the important point today we discussed Mitronam is we have taken 44 units of Haryana province and compared this across the Radcliffe Line, that is the partition line, and hope these contents will be of interest to you. And if you like the presentation, you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends. And Mitranam, if you take a few seconds and put your comments or any suggestions, that will be greatly appreciated. Kripayanam, please try to do it. Thank you very much.